What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I just received my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion box by Filmington, and this is volume 20. Shout out to Filmington, been doing a great job all these months, keeping it thorough, keeping it interesting, and always look forward to this release every month. And so without any further ado, let's go ahead and crack into this and see what we got. Here's our list. Oh, looks like I got a bonus pack. All right, 2020 Topps Chrome bonus pink refractor cards. Okay, that's always cool. Get these packs out of here. Okay. So we'll save the bonus pack for last. And let's start ripping into these guys. So here's our list. Go ahead and quickly freeze frame that if you want to take a longer look. Just go down the list as we go. And first up, here we go. We got Topps Series 1 from 1993. In here we're looking for base card and gold parallel card of Derek Jeter. So let's see if we can get lucky. See how we do this without. All right, first up we got Scott Fletcher, Ruben Amaro, Otis Nixon, Kenny Lofton, Jody Reed. Our gold card is Doug Linton, Luis Sojo, Esteban Beltre, Kevin Wickender, Greg Harris, Tim Salmon, Bip Roberts, Dave Nilsson, Rick Reed, and Mark Langston. So no Jeter in there. So let's move on to the next pack. Here we have 2014 Bowman Draft. Looking for paper and chrome cards of Eloy Jimenez, Rafael Devers, Chris Bryant, Matt Chapman, Trey Turner, and there's also autos of Matt Chapman, Trey Turner, Michael Kopech, Jack Flaherty, Alex Verdugo, Kyle Schwarber, and Aaron Nola. First up, Hunter Renfroe. Not his first Bowman. We got a Sean Reed Foley. It's not too bad. First Bowman. There we go. We got an Aaron Nola. First Bowman. That's pretty cool. Not too bad. Michael Geddes. That's a blue paper first Bowman. And that's going to be numbered to 399. Tyler Glasnow. Another good pitcher. Tyler Beede and Jake Reed. All right, so not too bad in that pack. Moving right along. Here we have 2014 Topps Update. Base cards and parallels of Mookie Betts, Jacob deGrom, George Springer, Eugenio Suarez, and Jorge Polanco. See if we can pull that Betts. That'd be pretty sweet. We got Gavin Floyd, David Carpenter, Hector Santiago, Brian Holiday. We got a gold of Nate McLouth, Not too familiar with him. We got a David Wright mini. Kind of a cool card there. Interesting. Okay. We got this Ramon Santiago. All-Star card of Giancarlo Stanton. Ronald Belisario. And John Baker. Next up, we got 2016 Topps Series 1. In here we're looking for base and parallel cards of Corey Seager, Ketel Marte, Michael Conforto, Kyle Schwarber, McGill Sano. And that's about it. We got a JD Martinez Future Stars. Kind of cool. CJ Wilson. Jake Arrieta and Zach Greinke. Garrett Cole, National League wins leaders. Got a Jason Kipnis. We got a Craig Biggio. Rediscover. I guess that's just some kind of coupon or something. Jordan Walden. Jason Grilly. Chase Utley. John Jasso. And Michael Cuttier. Alright, so nothing too crazy in there. Next up, we're looking at 2018 Bowman paper and chrome prospect cards of Luis Robert and Christian Pache. Chrome autos of Shohei Ohtani, Christian Pache, Ronald Acuna, Shane Bieber, Carter Kaboom, Rafael Devers, Walker Buehler, Brendan McKay, Edwin Rios, Mackenzie Gore, and Hunter Green. So let's see if we can get lucky in this one. Man, it is blazing here today in California. It's about 92 degrees in my apartment. So I'm trying my best not to sweat all over everything. Francisco Mejia, not too bad. Rookie card. Anthony Banda, rookie. Avisel Garcia. Josh Donaldson, the Blue Jays. Brendan Crawford. We got a Jorge Ona, chrome. Oh, there we go. We got a Vladdy prospect card, paper card. We got a chrome Austin Beck, Scott Kingery, and Jojo Romero. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. All right, so none of the big boys in there. Here we have 2018 Series 1. Base and parallels of Devers, Albies, Buehler, Flaherty, Robles, Andujar, and Verdugo. Image variations of Devers, Albies, Robles, Frazier, and Willie Calhoun. Wilson Contreras, Cameron Rupp, Lewis Brinson. Ooh, that's pretty cool. We got this negative rookie card of Chance Sisco. Not numbered. That's kind of cool though. Tim Anderson. Rookie card of Victor Robles. There we go. It's one on the list. Ariel Miranda. Josh Reddick. Andrew Kashner. And Chesler Cuthbert. Alright, next pack, 2019 Heritage Minor League. In here we got base cards of Luis Robert, Wander Franco, Yordan Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Jared Kelenic, Joey Bart, variations and short prints of Luis Robert, Wander Franco, Joe Adell, Jared Kelenic, and autos of Franco, Kelenic, Bart, Nolan Gorman, Casey Mize, and Nick Madrigal. So let's see what we can get out of here. I really like this product. had some pretty good luck on this last year. I pulled the redemption of Wander Franco out of a couple single loose packs that I bought at a card shop. All right, here we go. Connor Capel, Pedro Castellanos, Chad Spanberger, Israel Pineda, Matthew Liberatore, Jazz Chisholm, and pitching leaders. Okay, so nothing too fancy in there. Here we have 2019 Series 2. And here we are looking for the short print, no number card of Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And we're also looking for base cards and parallels of Tatis, Jimenez, and Pete Alonso. Come on, let's see if we can pull that Vladdy. That'd be pretty awesome. All right, first up, Victor Reyes, DJ Stewart, Josh Rogers, Masahiro Tanaka, Cam Gallagher, Noah Syndergaard Gold. It's pretty cool. We got a Gary Sanchez, German Marquez, Trevor Story, Ian Desmond, Nick Tropiano, Ryan Yarborough, and Fernando Rodney. All right, well, nothing too crazy. That Syndergaard was pretty cool, but none of the top rookies we were really shooting for. We also have here the 2019 Topps Update. Base and parallels of Vladdy, Hira, Kaboom, Riley, Luis Reyes, variations of Vladdy, Hira, Kaboom, Riley, Senzel, Rogers, Paddock, Biggio, and Yastrzemski. I've even seen that Tatis rookie debut card is selling for an arm and a leg in a PSA 10, which is really crazy. All his stuff's really shooting up. All right, here we go. Adrian Sampson, Francisco Liriano, Kevin Biggio rookie, not bad. Derek Holland, Mike Yastrzemski rookie, there we go, not too bad. All right, now we're moving, now we're rolling, now we're talking. All right, Justin Verlander, Steel City whatevers, Southside Warriors. We got a Tony Perez, some sort of parallel here. Greg Holland, Matt Festa, Dylan Moore. Oh, nice. Austin Riley rookie too. Wow, that pack's full of good rookies. All right. That was definitely the best pack of the rip so far. Okay, so here we have it. Our last couple packs before we open our bonus pack. And this is going to be 2019 Topps Chrome. Or I'm sorry, 2020 Topps Chrome. Base cards of Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez, Bo Bichette, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. Refractors of Luis Robert. Refractors and autos of Luis Robert, Jordan Alvarez, Bo Bichette, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux, Jesus Luzardo, Nico Horner, and Dustin May. And also image variations of some of those players. So let's see if we can get this Lux streak rolling with that last pack. See if that got the ball rolling. See if we can pull a Robert out of here. That would be sweet. Okay. We got a Whit Merrifield. We got a Orlando Arcia, Yu Chang, and Albert Pujols. All right, so nothing in there. Opening day. And here we got a short print of Luis Robert. That's basically and what a lot of people don't seem to understand or seem to realize. I don't think anyone has noticed. Maybe because on some of these opening day cards, they have in here printed the date on which opening day should have been for 2020. But since that date came and went, and the opening day didn't happen on that day, I consider that to be a misprint error. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. So we got a Kikuchi, JD Martinez, Max Muncy, Dustin May rookie. That's not bad. Sonny Gray, Kevin Biggio, and Screech, mascot. All right, so the final pack, the bonus pack. Let's see what we can get. See if we got anything cool out of here. Man, I am sweating up a storm, you guys. It's really difficult to finish this. There's like sweat dripping off my arms. Should have picked a different time to do this, but I was just too excited to let it rest. All right, Brian Anderson, Sheldon Noose, Trey Mancini, and Clayton Kershaw. Oh, and Brandon Crawford. All right, well, there we have it, guys. That's the volume 20 of the rookie card explosion box by Filmington. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. You know, it's just a fun rip every time. This is a great variation of packs, and I always look forward to this. Great job, Filmington. Congratulations on getting to milestone of volume 20, and I look forward to many more great boxes to come. So take care, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Take care. Peace.